Most people choose a credit card based only on cashback. But here's the surprising truth. The right card can save you money every single month if it matches your lifestyle. The AdBlue Platinum credit card is built for shoppers, especially those who shop at Lulu Hypermarket. This card offers high cashback on grocery purchases, plus rewards on fuel, dining, and utilities. Every time you shop at Lulu, you earn back a percentage of what you spend, which adds up quickly for families. Most people get this wrong by not tracking their spending categories. If most of your budget goes to groceries and fuel, this card can return real value. You also get zero annual fee on select plans, plus installment options for big purchases. The application process is simple, and approval is often quick. Security features include instant transaction alerts and spending controls through the AdBat. The surprising truth is that small cashback amounts grow into big savings over time. Subscribe for more smart money tips and card reviews.